funded and focused. Across every market, whether urban, rural, immigrant, or diaspora, one pattern shows up consistently. Entrepreneurs are motivated, but the infrastructure they need to succeed is missing. Not motivation, not ideas. Infrastructure to turn ideas into bankable assets. When founders understand the logic behind budgets, work plans, and outcome frameworks, they make better decisions. By the end, they can produce documents that hold up to professional review, and institutions receive applications from business owners and founders who are far better prepared to utilize the funding responsibly. Focusing on the fundamentals that determine whether a business can stabilize and grow: cash flow, bookkeeping, pricing, credit readiness, and digital visibility. Founders who complete their registration, licensing, banking, bookkeeping setup, credit audit, market validation, and their funding are just better prepared. The real value is that they exit any sort of training or incubator with habits, systems, and documentation that reduce risk for themselves and the institutions investing in them. It becomes a pathway to long-term business stability, because when the infrastructure is sound, the outcomes take care of themselves and ideas turn into bankable assets.